Hi. Today, we will see how to clean the status line of an indicator in the TradingView Pine script. See, this is my indicator called, Clean the Status Line. I have integrated a bunch of indicators into one single code. In this indicator, we have several moving averages, super trend, Bollinger Band, parabolic SAR, etc. You can see all those things plotted on the chart. But wait! See here. What are all these things near the indicator name? First, we see various inputs from the indicator. And then here, we see the values of the various indicators that we have plotted on the chart. This line is called the status line of the indicator. See how crowded and jam-packed it is. This is the input panel of the indicator. We can see the inputs for various indicators. Now imagine if I added several other indicators on the chart. I have added the same indicator to the chart a few more times. Imagine that there are some other indicators. Now, see, a big part of the chart is covered with the status lines of these indicators. We don't even need to see all these values. Why are they even there? How do we clean this status line? Let's learn it. This is the code of the indicator. This part is of the moving averages. We have 4 inputs for the averages, and then we plot those 4 averages on the chart. This part is of super trend. This part is of the Bollinger Band. And so on. Okay, so let's start cleaning our status line. First, I will remove the input of the super trend. To do that, we have to write display is equal to display.none in this input function. This will hide this particular input from the status line. We have to do the same for all the inputs. See, display is equal to display.none. And to hide the value of the super trend lines that we plot on the chart, in the plot function, we have to write display is equal to display.pane. So we are telling the indicator that keep the lines on the chart. The chart is called pane. But, remove the values of the lines from the status line and everywhere else. So here, we have removed the input values from the status line. And here, we have removed the plot line values from the status line. We will do the same for the Bollinger Band indicator as well. Display is equal to display.none in the input functions. And display is equal to display.pane in the plot functions. I will do the same for other indicators as well. I have left the moving average indicator as it is. Let's see the chart again. See, the status line is now much cleaner. Only the moving average inputs and plot values are there on the chart. Let's remove them also and clean the status line altogether. See, display is equal to display.none in the input functions. And display is equal to display.pane in the plot functions. Let's see the chart again. Now the status line is completely clean. We only see the name of the indicator and nothing else. But, there is a simpler way to clean the status line by using the TradingView chart settings. Right-click on the chart. Select the Settings option. Select the Status Line option. Here, turn off the Inputs and Values options. This will clean the entire status line. But the drawback of this approach is that the status line of all the indicators will be cleaned this way. What if I wanted to see the indicator values of some other important indicator? So I cannot use this solution in that case. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.